in a Jamaica from Island Dairy was spoiled fast and quick.
In a world where eggnog is a holiday staple, one Jamaican woman is making waves by calling out imported versions of the festive drink. According to her, they just don't compare to the rich, spiced homemade eggnog she grew up with. From the creamy texture to the unique blend of flavors, she argues that the foreign versions are a poor imitation. But is there more to the story than just tradition? Dive into this passionate and flavorful debate on what makes the perfect eggnog, Jamaican style.
Hey guys, I've seen a lot of people with them foreign eggnog in a Jamaica. Foreign eggnog, not ready. This is one and only eggnog in a Jamaica from Island Dairy was spoiled fast and quick. That's a good sign, right? Yeah man, one eggnog, never two. Yeah, so no matter where your foreign eggnog will come from, nobody knows where. Yeah, this.